It has been well over a year since I last tie-dyed. Everything that's been posted recently is just old stuff that I've dropped out there. Alright, what I'm going to do and what made me decide to go ahead and do something again is I've been seeing this pattern called a glitch. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. And then I've got some other things. So I might actually do some more tie-dyes here shortly in the future that are new. Alright, my yardstick, which is from, I don't know, 1970, is 1 3/4 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the t-shirt, which is 100% cotton and has been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. I'm going to mark it every 1 3/4 inches all the way up so that I can go ahead and do this pattern somewhat straight, or consistent actually be more of an accurate term. Actually, I can probably cheat, can't I? And just use this. That would be way easier. Yes, this is the first time I'm doing this. Let's see. It still seems wrong to leave that. Now, it's hard to lie, as you can see. So there's only 2 layers for this, instead of. No, sure, it's not good. And that goes there. I'll just feel where that's supposed to be. Okay. Now we do the same thing in the reverse direction. So let's get that marked off. I think I'm just going to tuck these. So I'll just go ahead and mark from here. Part of me thinks this should be done from the center and work back both directions, but I'll just do it this way. So. Alright, now we are just going to do an accordion fold on this. Let's see if I can keep this. Put some rubber bands here just to hold this in place. And I've got a mess over here on this sleeve. I really don't want to restart all this just for the sleeve. So let's see what we can do. It's pretty close. We'll go with this. Alright, so with this in place, I'm going to go ahead and tie this with some sinew. Go ahead and mark these off. I'll go 2 inches. Sinew, and 2 inches. Alrighty, off to dye. I have this set up on an incline in a piece of rain gutter. And the colors I'm going to use are Shiitake Mushroom from Dharma, Timberwolf from Dharma, and from Grateful Dyes, Terracotta Concentrate, number 82. So we'll see how that works out. I'll go ahead and put these down. I'm thinking Timberwolf, Shiitake, and Terracotta in that order. And then, let's see, Timberwolf, Shiitake, Terracotta, Shiitake, Timberwolf, Shiitake, Terracotta, Timberwolf. Yeah, let's do it that way. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and start the dye. Alright, we'll let that melt through and then we'll come back and see if we're going to flip it or just add more ice. Didn't need any more dye, but I did do a second round of ice on this one, in case I didn't say that earlier. So let's go ahead and put some water on this. Get the soda ash off the excess that I put on with the second round of ice. And then we'll start taking the bands off. Alright, let's take a quick look, then I'll go throw it in the washer. Looks like it gets really muddled at the top. So, go throw this in, and then we'll take a final look on this one. Well, here's the front. Here's the back. And the back, I say, looks better than the front. But overall, I'm going with my glitched. Not happy at all. So I looked back, and the last time I did a tie-dye was November of 2022. And this is September of 2024. So it's been almost 2 years since I've done a tie-dye. Maybe this is what I should expect to see after not doing anything for 2 years. Okay, I'm not happy with it. I mean, I get it. I don't know. Let's see. There's a lot of splotching stuff on the front, but that's my fault for not turning it inside out. The back, I don't know. I think it's kind of okay. It's generally what it's supposed to look like. The front, I'm just very unhappy with. So we'll just call this a, I don't know, getting started again or something. And it takes a while. We'll see. I guess that's all there is to say. So until next time, thanks for watching.